met a spaceman in my backyard. He said his spaceship broke apart. With a wink he stole my car keys. Now he's cruising through the galaxies. My dog's wearing a space helmet, chasing asteroids without regret. They've turned my house into a base, planning missions in outer space. It's a cosmic mess, but I love it. Aliens, dancers, rockets lift, stars explode with every beat. In our chaotic universe, we don't need meat. Neighbors think I'm going mad. They don't see the fun we've had. Martians playing in my pool. I guess I've broken every earthly rule. I phoned up NASA, they won't believe. They think it's some wild fantasy. But in my backyard it's a show. Lights flashing, neon glow. It's a cosmic mess, but I love it. Aliens, dancers, rockets lift, stars explode with every beat. In our chaotic universe, we don't need meat. It's a cosmic mess, but I love it. Aliens, dancers, rockets lift, stars explode with every beat. In our chaotic universe, we don't need meat. We don't need meat. Lights flash, we sway in neon. Heartbeats sync like we've known. Day fades, but we keep glowing, lost in a melody flowing. Sky turns lavender and pink, our souls dancing on the brink. Stars fade, we rise like dawn. In this electric night we're drawn. We feel the electric love, spark like thunder from above. In this place where dreams collide, together in this technicolor tide. Mirrors reflect our wild desires, eyes gleam brighter than the fires. We're living in a peak midnight, electric love, our sweetest fight. We feel the electric love, a soul ditch of you and think, all ditch of you and I intertwine. Every beat of flash of light.